Hello everyone, this is Joker and welcome to another unboxing from the Formula 1 car collection. Alright, as per usual, let's get that to the kitties. And I'll put the box to the side and get the first car out. An Jarno Trulli from 2004. While I'm looking at this car, and I like it. I'm not a Renault fan, but I like it. Sorry for my erratic scheduling. Probably this will be a third video in one row. I've got to upload the previous ones. Sorry about that. Yeah, I like this old livery. I really like these old liveries anyway, so yeah. Let's get that down there. And then, oh, I like it. Jensen Button, look right, look left. Oh, that's so funny. I can't remember that. It's from 2006. I can't remember that. Okay. Don't walk. If anyone can tell me what that was a reference to, please leave it down in the comments below. Oh, I love this car. I think this is immediately one of the top favorites looking cars. I really like the livery as well, the white and red. So striking. So yeah, that is booklet number 53. Going to the centerfold, per usual. First page, all in Dutch. And 54. I really like it. Such a lovely car, this one. A little more information. And yeah. I'm going to wrap this up. It's not a long video, but I see only one preview. That's interesting. In number 55 and nothing about number 56. Okay. I wonder. Right. I hope you liked this little unboxing. I know I like it very much. And once more, sorry for the erratic uploads, and I'll see how long this series goes. I don't mind if it goes on forever, because I like all these cars, and well, there are some more cars that I could add to the series. Right, without any further ado, that was it for this video. Everybody, stay safe, take care, and see you all in the next one, I hope. Bye bye.